Hey guys, Ramesh here and welcome to V Answers version 8. So in this video, let me answer some few questions regarding your doubts. So there are very less questions today because I changed my room and now it's my permanent room. So let us answer the questions. So the first question is from Vijay. So he was asking why OnePlus does not have AI features even though it was having Snapdragon 845. So AI features are implemented by the company by its own software. For example, Realme One. So it was running on, but also the chipset want to support the AI features. So let me take one example. The Realme One. It also has AI features in face unlock, etc. So Asus Zenfone 5Z also has different AI features, whereas OnePlus 6 does not have AI features. So it is because OnePlus team does not implement AI features and they did not utilize the AI features. So if they want to implement AI features, they can work on the software called deep learning, machine learning and many more softwares. So that's why OnePlus 6 does not have AI features, even Asus Zenfone 5. And the next question is from Bhargav. He was asking, my budget is from 25k, which phone should I buy? I am planning to buy Nokia 7 Plus, guide me. So if your budget is 25k, add 2000 extra more with the ICICI debit card and you can buy Asus Zenfone 5G. And if you don't have ICICI card, please try somewhere else because somebody will have ICICI credit card. If you want to buy a Nokia 7 Plus, it was outdated, but it has Snapdragon 660, but it has several updates and the build quality was very good. But if you are spending a 25k on mobile and if you add extra 2000 rupees, you can get Asus Zenfone 5G, which is 2018 flagship mobile and it has a 2018 design, 2018 flagship processor and AI features and extra many more than the Nokia 7 Plus. So if your budget is 25k, then add extra 2000 more and go for the Asus Zenfone 5G. And the next question is from Srinu. So he was asking, Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus versus Nokia 7 Plus, which one do I pick? So if we compare these two smartphones, Nokia 7 Plus is far better than Samsung A6 Plus. But Nokia 7 Plus is priced at 26,000 and Asus Zenfone 5G is priced at 27,000. So if we compare Nokia 7 Plus versus Asus Zenfone 5G, then go for Asus Zenfone 5G. And the next question was very interesting question and he's from Avinash. He's asking, he was saying that when Apple launched the new technology and after that vendors bring that tech, everyone say it was Apple's design or copy. Now Vivo has launched the in-display fingerprint sensor. Now if the vendors will say that it was a Vivo design, yes, definitely they will say that it was a Vivo design because it was a new innovation. The under-display fingerprint sensor is a new innovation. So Apple made their Face ID and the notch, it was new invention. So everyone copied that because it was a great invention and better invention to reduce the display. And under display fingerprint sensor because it does not need it for everyone. So for example, we can put the fingerprint on the rear, it was no problem. But keeping under display is something a new feature, some extra feature. But every people will say it was a Vivo future because Vivo brought the new innovation. So Apple brand is very big than Vivo, but innovation brings to Vivo and Oppo because they made 2018 innovation far better than Apple because they brought the full screen design and motorized cameras and under display fingerprint sensor and many more. So Apple, think of that. And the next and the last question is from this one also is our last same name. The question was, which phone is suitable for heavy games in 30k? So if your budget is around 30k, then go for the Asus Zenfone 5G because it has Snapdragon 845, which is a far better than gaming. And if you want to also enjoy with the display, then go for the OnePlus 6 because OnePlus 6 has Snapdragon 845 and better display than Asus Zenfone 5G. So OnePlus cost nearly 35,000. Then go for Asus Zenfone 5G. It was great. So this is the overall V answers question number 8. And one more thing, I have brought a new laptop called HP 245 G6 I think. So it was provided by my university. So if you want review, and it nearly cost 20,000 in Amazon. So if you want the review of this laptop, please comment below that I will make a review how it works and how it suitable for students like me. So hope you like this video guys, and meet you in next video. So thank you guys and goodbye.